Groot's windshield's a little dirty, but I'm gonna take you for a ride back down off the top side of our property so you have an idea of what we got. You need 3D glasses to appreciate this. Up and down. Okay, this is a pretty good grade right here. We're coming down. If you look, the trees are straight up and down, but this is the angle we're at. Look at the dilemma on resourceful living. I have got one tree that was holding up 3. I cut one out because it didn't have any tension on it. But that one and this one is laid down on top of a live tree that has all kinds of tension on it. And if you look down below, trying to do the man killer thing, get myself killed, I've got 2 saws pinched in wedges and getting ready to break out the steel because I know it's got the horsepower to pull through it. And if I film again, then it means I survived. We'll talk to you later. That's the root bulb. It's about 7 foot tall. And since I'm talking to you, I survived. I got my saws out. I done put up 2 of them, but this one tree was loaded up with all that tension from 3 until I was able to get that bottom one cut out of there. You can see it on the ground. But these 2 bad boys were lying on this live tree. And it didn't matter where you cut, you had tension and compression everywhere. So it pinched up a couple of my saws. I got them back. I knew the steel would get them out of there. I should have just brought the steel up here and done it. Now, if we can cut the rest of these out of here without getting killed, I'll be in good shape. Until next time.